Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Merchant Center for dropshipping feeds step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Merchant Center's homepage. Log in using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, click on the Get Started button. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Fill in the required business information, including your business name. Accept the terms of service to proceed. Next, set up your shipping settings. Click on Shipping and Returns in the left menu. Choose the appropriate shipping method for your dropshipping products. Enter your shipping rates based on the delivery regions. Now, configure your tax settings. Click on Tax in the left sidebar. Specify whether you will charge tax and for which regions. After setting up shipping and tax, navigate to the Products section. Click on Feeds to create a new product feed. Select the feed type that suits your dropshipping needs, such as products or local products. Choose the target country for your product feed. Give your feed a recognizable name, then click Continue. Select the method you will use to upload your product data. You can choose between uploading a file, using a content API, or creating a scheduled fetch. If you opt to upload a file, prepare your product feed in a supported format, like a CSV or XML file. Ensure your product feed contains all required attributes, including ID, title, description, price, and availability. Once your product feed is ready, go back to your feed setup in Google Merchant Center. Upload your file by following the prompts. After uploading the feed, click Schedule Fetch if you chose that option. Set the frequency for Google to fetch the feed and enter the URL if necessary. Next, review your product data for accuracy. Check for any errors or warnings in the Diagnostics section. Make necessary adjustments to your feed based on the feedback provided. Once everything looks good, activate your feed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.